Hello traders, this is Jack from 3 per month. Welcome back to the channel. And the series for my challenge, which is 5k to 6 figures funded, continues. This is episode 3. If you caught the last episode, I already went over my Monday's trade. For this Tuesday and Wednesday, there were no trades at all, and the market just didn't give me anything clean that I can trade, so I stayed out. And let's look into my trades on Thursday and Friday. Thursday was a bit of a rough one. I took 2 trades, both ended in losses. As you can see, for this first trade, after my entry, the price went into floating profit around 1 hour, but after that it returned and stopped me out. For the second trade of the day, I decided to enter again for long after this impulsive push. Unfortunately, for this second trade, the same thing happened again. Price floated into 1 hour profit and return stopped me out for the second time. So I ended the day with 2 losses. Now moving into Friday, I caught a solid win where I saw this opportunity and there was a strong bearish momentum setting in, so I went for a bigger target than usual. By this moment, price has come to my 2 hour floating profit and I set my stop loss to break even. After this candle close, I trial my stop loss to around 60 points profit, which is my usual target. So in case the price decided to return and stop me out, I'm happy with it. The price came close to TP and I manually exited the trade. Ended the day with 2.8 hour profit. So a quick statistic recap for this week. I have taken a total of 5 trades. Monday I got 1 win and 1 loss. There were no trades on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday with 2 losses, and finally Friday with 1 win. So the challenge account is now sitting at 2% profit, which is a slight growth from the last week, and I'm still in the game and slowly climbing towards the profit target. Overall, I felt like price action this week was a bit more volatile than usual. That is likely due to the United States reciprocal tariff rollout, which stirred up a bit of the uncertainty and sharper the moves during certain sessions. Sometimes I prefer to stay selective when the market starts to get choppy, and I didn't want to force anything. So if you find this series helpful or you can resonate with it, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so that you don't miss the next episode. I look forward to the coming week of trading, and I see you in the next one.